The years go by.
We are gathered here today to witness the transformation of a parent's forever baby into a wonderful and amazing little boy.
But no matter how tall you grow, you'll always be my little one.
I have seen his potential at saka very confident po siya sa lahat ng ginagawa niya. So I am proud of Junjay.
15 candles shining bright. New chapter, new chapter.
Kung anong sasabihin ni Mama at Papa, lahat sundin. Kasi si Lolo at Lola, kasama pa rin siya.
In my heart, I see you still. The little boy who made time stand still.
Ano man yung kailangan mo, andito lahat ng nandito, alam ko, mahal na mahal ka nila. Ayun, happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, my little boy. No matter your
Maligayang muling pagsalubong sa isa na namang taon ng biyaya para sa ating prinsipe. Sit back, relax, and maging bahagi po ng magical na umagang ito. Muling maraming salamat po. Let's the royal celebration begin.
you'll always stay. No matter how the years go by, you'll always be my little guy.
Lahat ng pangarap namin, pangarap mo, paglaki ay matupad. Pag-pray natin yan kay God. Every night tayo nagpipray. Nagpipray mo na sana magkaroon ka na ng kapatid. Sana anak.
These things, I'll let you go, but just so you know.
Happy birthday, Junjay. Wish you all the luck, good health, and God bless you always.
Look behind, you'll
Happy birthday, JJ. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yung pagiging sweet sa mga parents mo and good health.
And let us welcome His Royal Highness, our King, Max JJ Marcos Reyes!
fly, find your own way, but in my
Di man ganun ka-perfecto yung birthday mo, promise namin ni Mami na gagawin namin lahat yung best namin para matupad yung kung ano man yung pangarap mo. Basta wag mong kakalimutan yung lagi naming sinasabi sa'yo na kung ano man yung mangyari sa'yo or man yung dumating sa'yo, always magpasalamat kay God kahit ano yun. Tama? Paano yung symbol natin? Thank you po.
Si Mommy and Daddy, hindi na-try ang ganitong birthday party. Kaya lahat ginagawa namin para ibigay sa'yo. At sana anak, mag-aral kang mabuti. Ang pagiging matalino, makulit, okay lang naman yun anak. Sweet, very sweet si JJ. Very, very sweet. Kaya lang kapag sweet siya, may kapalit. Mami, can I use my tablet? Yun ang lagi niyang sa akin. Kapag very sweet na siya. So anak, sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to.